face. Well, here it is, alright? Here is my face, peoples. I don't be putting my face in this thing because these kids. But do you hear that? I can let my hair down. Yes. I can let my hair down. Woo. This is what happens when them kids are asleep, honey. I can put my face in the video. I got green.
That is Friday night and I feel alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Crockpot collard greens. That's right guys, very simple, easy recipe. If you follow it step to step, you will have perfect greens. So these are some of the seasonings that you will need for this recipe. All right, guys, very easy. Now you'll need 2 large diced onions. You'll need some bell peppers, of course, your collard greens, and some smoked turkey. All right. So the first step is to cut up everything, okay? I don't roll and slice. We don't cut anything away in this house. We use everything. The only thing that I did not keep was the end of the greens, but you want to slice it up just like this. All right, very simple. And then you want to go ahead and rinse the greens off thoroughly. You want to make sure you take your time and clean it very good because these are fresh greens and sometimes there's still some dirt in it. So you want to make sure that when your greens is officially cooked and succulent, you want to make sure that you're not feeling dirt or sand type of particles in your mouth. You want to enjoy those greens, all right? Clean it very good. All right, and now it's time to drop in your smoked turkey inside of the crock pot, just like so. You also want to add in your onions and bell peppers. Very easy, simple step. One more tip, guys. You want to put your crock pot on high, or if you have numbers on your crock pot, you want to put it for 4 hours. Then you want to go ahead, after you have dropped your onions, bell peppers, and greens, you want to add 1 tablespoon of all of the seasonings that I showed you guys in the previous clip. All right, so 1 tablespoon of cayenne, 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt, complete seasoning. You want to also add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, just like I showed you guys in the previous clip. Make sure you set it for 4 hours. Here I'm going in with 1 cup of water, just like so. And then you want to leave it for 4 hours. And here is what it looks like 4 hours later, guys. Very beautiful. It's not soggy at all. Very tender and succulent. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Bye.